So we have a smoothie recipe. We don't have a smooth recipe. We have a smoothie recipe that we want to share with you to hydrate.
Yeah, so especially if you're feeling maybe a bit hungover, or maybe you need, you can switch this up. Maybe feel something different if you want to change your smoothies, because it's a tropical one. Tropical smoothie. So if we start off with coconut water, that's going to have those natural electrolytes we talked about. It's going to give it a different flavor and a different taste as well, which is nice, and a good combination with the other fruits we have in there.
So we've got mangoes in there as well, and pineapple and banana.
Yep.
So that's all part of the tropicalness.
Right, you can throw
refreshing, and the it'll help replenish like those natural sugars as well.
Yeah, we always recommend Complete Truth Protein.
Yeah.
We've seen it before as we talk about. Sometimes we feature it, but Complete Truth Protein is a nice way to add an extra boost to your smoothie or make it a whole meal. That can help as well. But this flavor